In today's class, we are discussing about regression. Regression is an estimation of one independent variable in terms of the other. Means what? Here we are going to study two independent variables. Relationship between two independent variables means what? Expressing one independent variable in terms of the other. Suppose x and y are two independent variables, then they are correlated. Then the best fitting straight line in the least square sense gives reasonably a good relation between x and y. The best fitting straight line of the form y equal to x plus b. If we consider y equal to x plus b as a straight line, where x being the independent variable, then we say that this is the equation of a regression line of y in terms of x, means y on x, regression line of y on x. Similarly, x equal to ay plus b, where y is a independent variable, then we call it as a regression line of x on y. So we derive the equation of the regression lines for this given straight lines. Suppose y equal to ax plus b be the equation of the regression line of y on x for a given set of n of values x, y. Then the associated normal equations are given by summation of y equal to a into summation of x plus n into b. Call this as equation 1. Summation of xy, a into summation x square plus b into summation of x. Call this as equation 2. Writing the normal equations for given straight line you will study in curve fitting next section. Dividing equation 1 by n, what will get? We'll get summation of y divided by summation of n equal to a into summation of x by n plus n into b by n, or else we'll write it as summation of y by n is what? It is a mean. So y bar equal to a into x bar plus b. What it shows? Again we got a straight line equation in the form in terms of x bar and y bar. Nothing but a straight line equation in terms of x bar y bar. So this is a regression line passing through x bar y bar. We also know that the equation of a straight line passing through x1 y1 with slope m is what? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. In the same way, using x bar y bar, we may write y minus y bar equal to m into x minus x bar, or we may write it as capital Y is equal to m into x. What we did? We denoted y minus y bar as capital X, x minus x bar as capital Y. Y minus y bar as capital Y and x minus x bar as capital X. So the normal equation for fitting y equal to mx to find the parameter m will be, again we write normal equation for this straight line y equal to mx. That will be summation of xy equal to m into summation of x square. But we want a slope m. So m equal to summation of xy divided by summation of x square. But r is equal to summation of xy divided by n into sigma x sigma y. Therefore, summation of xy will be n into r into sigma x into sigma y. Also, we have sigma x square as summation of x square by n. That is sigma x square, summation of x square equal to n into sigma x square. So, substitute these two in equation of m. We will get m is equal to n r sigma x sigma y divided by n into sigma x square. It is nothing but r into sigma y by sigma x. Once we got the equation for m, substitute in equation y equal to mx. That equation assumes the form y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Call this as equation 3. This is called the regression line of y on x. The equation whatever we took, that y equal to x plus b, a straight line. For that straight line, this is the equation of a regression line of y on x. Similarly, assuming the equation of the form x equal to ay plus b and proceeding in the same way, we'll get x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar is the regression line of x on y. We call this as equation 4. Now, the coefficients of x and y in equation 3 and 4 are called as regression coefficient, that is r into sigma x by sigma y, r into sigma y by sigma x are called as regression coefficients. Once you multiply these two, what happens? R into r square sigma x and sigma y's will get cancelled. Means what? The product of regression coefficients is equal to r square, and it is clear that they are passing through x bar and y bar. And so from this we can conclude that coefficient of correlation r is the geometric mean of regression coefficients. So it can be put in the form r equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x and coefficient of y. And sign of this r, it depends on the signs of coefficient of regressions. Note, the line of regression 3 and 4 are also of the form y equal to summation of xy by x square into x equal to summation of xy by summation of y square into y. The x and y, capital X and y, which we wrote in the bracket in the formulas, they are x minus x bar and y minus y bar. So this form will be useful to find the coefficient of correlation by first obtaining the lines of regression, as we deduce r is equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. So finding this, we are going to use that formula, those formulas. Now second note is, to compute the coefficient of correlation, we prefer to use the formula r equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square divided by 2 times sigma x into sigma y, where standard deviations can be found by applying the formula sigma x square is equal to summation of x square by n minus x bar whole square. So if you are given with the xy data, so finding their mean and finding standard deviation, and after that substitute in the given r, so that we will get a coefficient of correlation. If x bar and y bar are integers, computation of r by the formula is r equal to summation of xy divided by summation of x square into summation of square root of summation of x square into square root of summation of y square. It is convenient, where capital X and y are what? X minus x bar and y minus y bar. So depending upon the problem given, question asked and data given, we may use both the formulas in different way. So this is all about the theoretical explanation of regression, and in the previous video I explained about coefficient of correlation and some of the basic statistical definitions. So in the next class I am going to solve examples on finding the coefficient of correlation and regression lines, and the relationship between coefficient of correlation and regression lines, and some of the application problems. Thank you.